So in general, people think you always have to have money in order to have a exciting, fun, beautiful life, because they think you have to buy everything, but you don't. You know, I haven't been rich my whole life, but I've never been poor. And the reason is because I have creative intelligence. And this is the thing that upsets me most about people who don't support art, and especially art education with children, is when you have creativity in your pocket, not only does it make you smarter through problem solving, but it gives you a kind of wealth that no one can take away from you, because you can always make your life if you can't buy your life. And I'm going to show you a really good example of this. So this is just packing styrofoam that came in a box of stuff yesterday. And I was looking at it and I was like, oh, what am I going to do with this? But I also want to decorate for Halloween this year. And I do this giant, like outdoor thing in the woods. It's different than most people because it's really spooky. So this piece of styrofoam was the same as this piece, but it had this big hole cut in it already. And I looked at that and I'm like, what do I imagine that to be? And so with my, so I have a different type of brain than most people. I can measure, see, and create something in my mind without drawing it out. It's an unusual skill. So I saw a skull in this right away, and I just went about cutting the shape. This is the size of styrofoam it was. I just kind of followed anatomically what would make sense to cut this into a skull face. And use these pair of good sharp scissors, and bam, there you go. Now, for most people, you're going to just use a marker or some type of drawing tool to draw out where you would want this, and then go in with either a nice sharp pair of scissors or an X-Acto knife to create your skull. So look at that. This was garbage that was going to get thrown away. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take that, I'm going to hang it to a piece of fishing line, and I'm going to put that hanging out in the tree. And then at nighttime and during the day, it's just going to spin like a phantom outside. And everyone's, and I'm the only one who has this because I created it. And it literally was garbage. And it took me 5 minutes, maybe 5 to 10 minutes to do this. So you can look at your life as everything you don't have, or you can simply just apply your intelligence and don't be afraid to be a kid again and make what you need. Make what you need. And this is a lot better for the planet too.